Welcome to Whiteboard Project Management YouTube channel. This is a 2 minutes daily project management practice program. In this program, we do something different. We will take a practical example of project management and we will go through it, explain the tools and techniques used in this example, and deliver it to you in 2 minutes. Stay connected, subscribe to the channel, and let's start the session. Episode 5. Question of the day. You are a project manager working on a critical project. You track the project schedule closely. While going through the critical path, you realize that the project is showing negative float. What is the best response to this situation? A. Use a schedule compression technique. B. Reduce the number of resources from the project. C. Reduce the number of non-critical activities in the project. D. Revisit the risks and do a risk analysis of the project. Think about the scenario. The scenario is saying that you are a project manager working on a critical project. You are already working. You track the project schedule closely and you saw that the critical path showing negative float. Okay. The critical path of the project is the duration of the project itself, because that's why it comes the name of the critical path. It's a combination of activities which are connected as finish to start, and these are the longest path in the project, and that's why it's a critical path. So because it's showing the negative float, means there is no spare float to be used, and you need to do something. So from the options available, the revisit of the risk, this is only showing the risk. Reduce the number of non-critical path activities. You are working on something else. You need to do something for the critical path itself. Reduce the number of resources from the project. That will lead that your resources will be reduced and the activities will be longer. Use a schedule compression technique. Yes, this is the correct answer. Why? The best option is to compress the project schedule, because the critical path activities can be delayed, thus resulting in a negative float. In this case, the project manager should use a schedule compression technique such as fast tracking or crashing. Means the critical path, you need to reduce it, so you are reducing the project and you are back to be online. Hope that this session explained to you quickly the importance of critical path and why we use the critical path compression techniques. Thank you for using Whiteboard Project Management as your educational platform, and thank you for watching this episode. Like, subscribe, and share as usual. See you in the next episode.